Well, we're out here at Shanaville. I think I have the slowest car here, to be honest with you. We had a rain delay, so it's been a few hours waiting. But looks like everything's up and running again. But I've been watching some of the cars going through, and it doesn't look good.
From here,
1521.
Well, I lost, but it was pretty fun. Launched a little high. I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna try heating the tires again a little more this time, and see how it does. It might be better. It might be worse. Might try the other lane too. I don't know. She gets down, eh?
You pulled the friggin' front wheels off the ground on the second and check the second.
Well, in that run, my quarter mile actually was worse, and I was on the gas harder, which I don't really understand. I think that car is just slowly, I think it's just slowly dying. I ran a 15.6 and yeah, 15.6 and 0.2, so I was slower on my 60-foot-2. I thought I heated the tires more, but it looks like I got to really warm these things up. Smooth the car up here. Anyway, I'll give it a shot and see what happens. gets that Mazda again, he's going to kick my behind if I don't watch it. Mustang! Oh yeah! I was waiting for you to blow by me again! Oh, and I kept looking! Awesome, man. Thanks very much! Okay, guys, you know what? It wasn't a good turn that down. It wasn't a good run. It was a fun run. The last time out on the track for the Mustang this year, and it won its last race. Like, come on, I'm so happy. Like, okay, it wasn't a fast race, and to be honest with you, I thought the guy with the Mazda was just gonna smoke by me. Like, I'm serious, I thought he was gonna smoke by me, but he didn't, and it was real good fun. Another race. Yes, I won the last one though, and I wasn't the slowest.
Isn't that because the guy blew the engine?
No.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
But I wasn't the slowest. Certainly wasn't the fastest. But the last one, you said the last couple runs it hooked a lot better, and I think that was because I was heating the tires a lot more, but she just didn't have it any more in it to do any better.
But you got you home.
That's it.
Yeah, got me home. Had some fun. Anyway, guys, that's about it. Hope you enjoyed it. You guys take care. Please be safe.